Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious and easy Knafeh recipe. If you're craving Knafeh this Ramadan, keep watching. So you'll need Kadiyifi pastry, pistachios and butter. You'll also need rosewater, lemon juice and sugar, as well as shredded mozzarella and smooth ricotta. You'll also need one of these baking trays, so this one is 37 centimeters in diameter. So the first step is to pop your sugar, that's 330 grams, into a pot on medium heat, and to that you want to add 185 ml of water. Now you just want to mix this until it's fully dissolved and allow it to start simmering. You'll need it to simmer for 5 minutes, and then after the 5 minutes you'd want to pull it off the heat completely. So at the end of the 5 minutes I added 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 2 teaspoons of rosewater. Alright guys, now we're going to mix together our cheeses. So here I'm adding 200 grams of shredded mozzarella with 375 grams of smooth ricotta. Now guys, it's really important you use smooth ricotta because you don't want to end up with a gritty tasting Knafeh. Now I've put 300 grams of my Kadiyifi pastry into a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, that's okay, you can always use scissors to cut it up. I've also added 100 grams of melted butter to this pastry and mix it all through with my hand so that the butter is evenly coating all the pastry bits. The next step is to butter the base of your baking pan, so this just ensures that nothing gets stuck to the tray. And once you've done that, you can spread half of your pastry onto the bottom of the tray evenly. Once everything is evenly spread out, the next step is to press everything down really well. It's really important that you do this step so that you can easily spread over our cheese layer after without the pastry moving. So once everything is compact, you just want to start adding your cheese across the layer. Just make sure it's all even and smooth. Once your cheese layer is added, you can now use the other half of the pastry remaining and just press down so it's all compact. The last step guys is to just dot across the Knafeh bits of butter for that extra flavour. Pop your Knafeh into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius and cook for 40 minutes or until golden. Now halfway I did add pistachios just so that they roast and get that extra flavour. And you need a hot Knafeh and your previously cooled syrup, pour it on top and enjoy. There you go guys, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's super easy, super delicious. Alif Afia and Ramadan Kareem.